about my daily skincare routine, my morning routine. So as you can see, I just got out the shower. I already have my face washing headband on. I look like an egg right now. So I actually have a blog post on my lifestyle blog, angelicaharper.com, that is actually in correlation with this whole video. So it has my morning, nighttime routine, and it also has weekly, monthly rituals that I do to maintain my clear skin. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to that blog post in the description box down below, so that if you guys ever need the links to the products, want to use anything that I use in this video, it'll all be in that blog post. So I'll put that in the description box below. Let's get started. I'm gonna wash my face. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. This is amazing. It removes oils, dirt, and makeup without like overly drying out my skin. I love it so much. Next is going to be the Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. This is just like an exfoliator. I like to do this maybe twice a week. It really just exfoliates my skin and evens out my skin tone, but it's like a gentle exfoliating, not like deep scrubbing on my skin. So it is still good, especially if you have sensitive skin. And this stuff feels so good. It really just feels like you just feel it massaging your pores. I don't know, that's kind of weird, but it feels amazing. And now I'm drying my face, and you always want to make sure when drying your face to always pat dry, never wipe your face with like a swiping motion. Next, I'm going to be using the Biore Witch Hazel Toner. I just pour some on a cotton round and then swipe that all over my face, focusing on my blemishes, but then I still put it all over my entire face, and it feels so good and refreshing. This basically controls oil in my skin and it also deep cleans my pores. Once the toner has dried, I go ahead and moisturize my skin with the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is my go-to moisturizer, works great. And then one of my favorite products in my skincare routine, this is CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. This basically reduces dark circles, or the appearance of dark circles, and any puffiness if you wake up in the morning and you have puffiness, or just any really imperfections around your eyes besides wrinkles. I don't know if it does that job, but I basically just put the tiniest bit on my finger and then I just dab it on underneath my eyes. And it just feels so good. I do this before bed, and I also do it in the morning. Last but not least, my Henna Lay lip treatment. This is in the color Peach Pink. I just rub this all over my lips and it feels so good, so moisturizing. The moisture lasts several hours, and I especially love to do this before bed because I wake up in the morning with super soft, plumped lips, and yeah. Alright, so this is my skin all cleansed and moisturized. I'm feeling good, feeling cute, feeling glowy. Feel like I'm gonna go have a no makeup day. So that is it for my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.